Day 100. Day 100, man. 100 days, 100 recording, 100, well, more than 100 and something videos, but yo. What's up, guys? What's good? You guys ready to get out and chill? Before they do, I gotta block their home because these chickens be wild, man. You guys, make sure you guys support the chickens, man. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, you know what I'm saying? I gotta get them some food. What's up, guys? What's up? Guys and girls? 6 of you guys. What's going on? How you doing? You feeling better? This one was the one that got bitten by a dog, but is walking. It's all healed up.